Tired of trading your time for money? Let's unlock the secrets to building a passive income empire with Codecanyon. First, you need a product. Think high quality, in-demand digital assets. This could be anything from WordPress plugins, PHP scripts, to mobile app templates. Ask yourself, what problem can you solve for developers or website owners? The more niche, the better. Next, create a killer product. Focus on clean, well-documented code, user-friendly design, and robust features. Remember, quality sells. Don't forget detailed installation instructions and examples of how to use it. Now, it's time to upload your product to Codecanyon. Write a compelling description that highlights the benefits and features. Choose relevant categories and tags to improve visibility. Add screenshots and a demo video. Marketing is crucial. Share your product on social media, developer forums, and your own website. Consider offering a free version with limited features to attract potential buyers. Run targeted ads on platforms like Facebook and Google to reach a wider audience. Engage with your customers. Respond promptly to questions and provide excellent support. Positive reviews are gold. Encourage users to leave feedback and use that feedback to improve your product. Finally, rinse and repeat. Analyze your sales data to identify top-performing products and optimize your marketing strategies. Create new products to expand your portfolio and increase your income streams. Remember, consistency is key.